Today, I'm Gemina and I'll be demonstrating to you how to use Fusion Rush. So here we are in the main menu, you can see the high score, and let's just proceed to play game. So here's the intro sequence, you can choose to skip the intro if you don't want to see it. And now we are here in the game menu. You can see the high score and the running score. And here we have the variable definitions, there are premises to reconstruct, and it's just follow this, it is not the case, P and Q, which is being asked here. And once we submit that, you can just click the card to flip it, by the way. So here in this screen, we can apply the rules, where the double rules, the modus bonus, etc. Where the rules, if you have to apply, and you need two premises to apply to. And next is the single operations, which are, yeah, we can all already apply to a single operation. So you can see this is a single operation, and if we click again, you are asked to apply the De Morgan's law. So let's do so. Let's apply the De Morgan's law, and now we are running. Our score just our fuel has been incremented, and we can choose to skip problems, by the way. But skipping problems just speeds up our fuel degradation. So there, as you can see, once the fuel reaches a critical point, the screen turns into uh, frozen like a frozen overlay, and let's just get okay, this time. Oh, that's when you run out of fuel, you're gonna be given a small prompt here, and you're gonna be presented to the game over screen where your score is presented, the local best is presented, and if you have hit the high score in the recent 24 hours of the game in our database, you're gonna be presented to a screen of to a prompt where you are asked to type your code name, which then where your name and your score will be presented here in the daily leaderboards. But currently it's down, so cannot show that as of now. But here we have in how to play a small tutorial on how to play the game, where I'm not going to be showing now. The settings, just general settings. You can set menu, music volume, SFX volume. You can choose to mute all. You can choose to disable the intro sequence that displays once you click play. You can choose to have infinite patience in your game, which means your fuel will not run out, but you will be ineligible to for the leaderboards. Just disable it if you want to hit the leaderboards, or just enable it if you want to practice and practice. And here you can set the difficulty, which is the how large and how complex the problems are, but just set auto if you want to the full experience. So you can choose to send feedback, star rating, and you can set us you can set us bug reports, you can set us feedback so you can improve on the game, you can send out updates quicker. Next, you can reset progress, and that's all for the settings. You have progress and stats, just general progress and stats. That's and then we have a tutorial screen where you are you are given like small tips and help on how to apply the rule. And since this is a disjunctive syllogism rule, you can apply it, and you can see what happens once we apply that rule to certain premises. So that's all for this screen. Let's just proceed back again to the AI tutor. Let's just proceed to the AI tutor. And here in the AI tutor, you can ask for the AI to generate you problems. So give me a modus ponens problem. So once you do that, it's gonna be thinking, it's gonna start thinking, it's gonna provide you a problem. So here we just answer it just like how we answer our rules of inference problems. We can uh, pick a rule which is modus ponens, and you can pick which premises you are gonna apply to, which is P1 and P2, premise 1, premise 2, and the target will be Q. You're gonna be typing it from down here. So once your steps are ready to lock in, you're just gonna submit it for feedback. And once you submit for feedback, the AI will start to evaluate your solution. And there we have it. It's correct. Great job. Your application of modus ponens is spot on, and it's gonna give you feedback on how correct your steps are, how valid they are. And I guess that's all for the AI tutor. You're just gonna ask the AI for more problems if you want to. And here are the settings, by the way. Just send feedbacks if you get bugs. And that's all for the demonstration of Fusion Rush. So enjoy the game and just send us feedbacks when you can. Thank you so much.